Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Codebox. And today we are targeting a problem where we are going to reverse a string by characters. So let's get started. So first, let me define a string with name as S, and here this is my channel Codebox. Okay, so the problem here is like we want to reverse this particular string in in a to each by character. The the expected output will be X O B E D O C and so on till our first you can say first character or word of this particular string, that would be SIHT. So let me define a function first. Function 1, and so here we are going to solve this particular problem with the approach of list comprehension. So let's get started. So let me give you an overview like how we're going to approach this particular problem. So if you want to reverse this particular string, first we need to target the last last word of this particular string. So first I need to target this particular letter, then we can reverse this letter and then we can print this. So then we will move on to the next one, and then this one we will be going this like in reverse negative indexing, sorry, and then we can reverse this, and then similar fashion we will go for this one and then we can go. So this iteration from box to code to channel to my to is to this. So we can do that by negative indexing. So negative indexing we can assign it by in this fashion where so this will, if you go and print this, let me print this first. If I go and print this, let me call this function first. So if I run this, sorry, to be small s. So you can see we can do it in this way. So it's a simple problem with simple solution. So you can see we got the output. Now let's suppose if you want to iterate it with the by letters, or we can say by words, sorry, not letters, by words. So the expected output that we are going to target is box, then code, then channel, then my, then is, and then this. So if I want to write that particular method, so I need to go for let me let me think of a approach where I want to target this output. So for that we can either go for negative indexing, or we can go for an approach where we're going to split this particular string by split from method, and then we can print that particular, so it would be much easier, I guess. So let me go. So the output of this particular split method would be, you can say, a list. So yeah, so let me split it to, so now we got an L which contains all these box. This is my channel code box. So it will be in the form of, if you go and check the type of this particular L, it would be a list. So, so you can see this is list. Now this list, if I want to iterate through this particular list, it would be in this one. So if the same concept we are going to apply here, but on list. So if I want to print particular list as reverse, so I can go for L and I can do the same thing where I'm going to pass on negative indexing and print this. So you can say, boom, we got our output with this fetch. So if you like this code, please share, subscribe. This is the best, simplest approach I have given you. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you guys.